Sorry guys, you were saying something about Royal Stallion.
You were saying something about Royal Stallion.
Yes, it is not product that is being produced as we speak.
Okay.
Yes, there is no company that is producing Royal Stallion. Royal Stallion is not rice that is being produced as we speak. No problem, sir. Yeah. So these are rebagged. This is rebagged clearly, and that is totally out of order. That's illegal.
Sir? Yeah, they are welcome.
You know, this particular product that was starting now was like last time when good government regime understanding, the lights was functioning understanding. But based on people's demand, I need to know that finance understanding.
You tell us where you're buying it from. Tell us your source, your test. You tell us where it is, where you get your supply from. Or if you're the one that is rebagging, you will tell us. But it's clearly why do you want to have established that? Arrest that. Bags that you have to see if they are underweight or if they reach up to the measure. If it's declared 25 kg, if it's up to 25, if it's declared 50, if it's up to 50 for the other brands that we have. They are not being produced. So these are rebagged products. Please bring them out. Bring them all out. You are the owner of the shop. You can call people to help. Just arrange them here. We'll have to seal the shop because we can't bring everything, but we'll still measure, the other product that he has.
That's what I'm saying now. You get the distributor. Maybe say now company product in they sell to you, but only this stallion. What about by Mama Africa? You don't get Mama Africa. It's only Mama Pride you get from Olam. Mama Gold.
Mama Gold, they come from Olam.
Where in the? You get Mama Gold here?
Mama Gold, I see Mama Gold.
Where? This big bag.
Yes, it will. Hold on. My name is Emmanuel.
Okay. There is this, they are trying to accuse you of rebagging. So what will be your defense?
The issue there is that if it's something that I know, understand me, that this is how it will be, or this what is happening. I don't have, understand me, do it because this is how we bought it and sell. Hasn't been, you know, understand me. Based on this stadium, they say that it's no more in the market, understand me, and they find it in my market, in my shop, understand me. Hasn't been, if there's any orientation given to people, or if there's any news that carry that this particular one is not in the market, it's not supposed to sell in the market, why would I buy it?
Oh, are you saying that you are not the one that rebag it?
No, we buy it like that.
Okay, so will you be willing to give them the address of?
We can do. You buy it, you go to, even if you go to this Suleja market, you see it there, we buy some sauce, or you buy some of them there. You go to Suleja market, you buy from Kaduna, yes, you buy from there, you buy from Kaduna Road, you buy from so many things, so many places like that, sir.
So instead of you buying your normal rice as local rice, you're being sold local rice in imported branded bags. They are not imported. They are not from Thailand and they are not anywhere imported. As a matter of fact, for Mama Gold, as far as 2015, they've stopped all their SKUs. This is 2025. And yet, like you heard from the testimony of the trader, he is aware that they don't sell those sizes anymore. So that's why we're here.
So what is going to happen to them? I mean, all of the people that you've caught red-handed selling this thing.
As usual, the due process of the law will be followed. Those products will be confiscated. We'll follow the trail to find out the people that are actually producing it and branding those local rice and rebagging them in foreign brands that are no longer in the market, because the owners of the brands have already notified consumers, and they stated publicly that those brands are no longer in Nigerian market. They're not bringing them to Nigeria anymore. But again, because of the brand market, they are being exploited by these rebagging cartels that continue to rebag local rice and sell to consumers. We will continue to evacuate them and remove them from the market. As we continue to intensify and warn everybody, please be sure that you are buying from our mills or you are buying from the distributors or the importers of those foreign brands. It will do you good, because if we find it in the market, we will evacuate and then take you to court.
So what is going to be the sanction for them now? The sanction for them. The sanction.
We have administrative penalties and fines under our law. They will follow the due process based on the infractions. We also will continue to remove them. And then the third one is, if you resist or you are not cooperating with our investigations to locate the source, we will prosecute you. That's a criminal offense under the FCCPA.
Okay, ma, for emphasis, what are the brands and when will they provide that intelligence? Yes?
And how many would you likely?
We have almost 10. We will do the needful as much as we can based on intelligence. We will keep ourselves under radar to continue to monitor the intelligence, but particularly we will also today visit where the bags are sold. As you are aware, you cannot be selling branded bags. You sell it only to the company that will now use it as an item for production. So you can't sit in the market and start milling using rice, packing local rice into branded bags. So you're selling it is even a crime. You shouldn't be selling branded bags. So we'll also rate that, and also rail the millers, those who are packing and just, not even millers, they're just basically buying local rice and then selling them in foreign brands. That is the cartel that we want to bust. And we will continue to follow the intelligence. We've been on it for quite a while. We've been on it for quite a while. Our intelligence keep coming every day, and because particularly in this season, it's April season, it's Easter season, rice is the main meal. In every table, everybody is buying rice, and that's why we're sweeping in on this intelligence at this time.
Stanley.
Please.
Stanley, where are you? Stanley, let's interview the guy.
Let this investigation, and it will continue to give us information. This place, because of the bags that we couldn't see, remember you went inside, we couldn't remove them. Those products are exhibits. All these products are exhibits for the investigation, and they will remain the custody and the property. They will remain in custody and the property of the federal government until the to come and testify on the source of all of these products for our investigation. Thank you very much.
Okay.
It's good that you are not aware, but ignorance of the law is not an excuse.
Right from
Foreign. And you are aware that it's not foreign.
so they bring it and we sell
No,
it.
wait, now you are aware that this particular one is not foreign.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But you are selling it as foreign rice.
No. We can't sell it as a foreign.
You are selling it as local rice.
We sell it as a local rice. And
How?
that's how they bought it.
No. What I'm saying is that Royal Stallion is not a local rice.
Yes.
This brand is not a local brand.
One may not marry, as I was said. It was foreign before. But when they started packaging it and bringing it for us, we said,
No, who is bringing it? In the
we buy it
market.
from Sureja, I will buy it from Kaduna Road.
I know, but you buy it for people who are putting local rice inside it.
Buy it.
I know. You are buying and say you're a trader.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are buying from people who are putting local rice inside this bag
Yes, ma'am.
and selling it as Royal Stallion.
Yes, ma'am.
And you are aware that the Royal Stallion, the original people, where they talk from Thailand, they don't tell us, say they know they here again. They don't come out because people, they do this kind of thing to shortchange them. Now you make them wrong, come out. Are you getting it? And you are aware that if you have been in this business, you know that they are not here anymore. But
I know that.
But you continue to buy from local rice, our own rice, which is not a problem. We're all eating it now. It's local rice, but you are selling it as foreign brands.
For God who made me, if I sell it for foreign rice, let me know see to I sell it as a local rice.
No.
As a, but let me tell you, if I sell it in name of foreign, let me
No,
know
okay,
see
you, no. You are selling it as knowing that it's local rice.
Yes,
but the customer is buying it as foreign rice.
No, the customer are buying it for local. You know, it's a local because they will fetch it. You fetch it and show them. They will see it before they can recognize it.
So what is the essence then? Why are you using the bag?
The product is moving market. That's why they bring it.
It is moving market. That's what I'm saying. And that's why you are using the brand. Why you not put your name, Patrick and Co. Put and make the come buy. Who go buy?
I don't have.
Who go buy? So you are profiting from the brand name. That's what it means. You are making money because you know that when you you are making money because if you put it in royal bag, money go there, and that is exploiting consumers. Say you understand? Because you get other brand now. This other one called Mama Gold. This one Mama Gold. Mama Bride. Okay, you have Mama Gold. Mama Gold, no day. Yes, sir. It's upstairs. Okay.
Check it.
Yes, but what? No, it's okay. But you know the people, shall you take us to the people? You are making a commitment to take us to the source. That's okay. Then we'll deal with the remaining matters. But this continues to be the seized item. You understand? And then even you'll be summoned to our office to come and help us as a witness to our investigation. Do you understand? And then we will do the needful. But in the meantime, here.
I'm buying it from my boss.
From your boss? Where is your boss? Your boss is a distributor or importer?
No, he's distributor.
He's a distributor
for
Vitalis. So that these rice that are here are really foreign rice. But in your shop, we found a lot of brand paper, nylon.
my oil is leaking most of the time because the jerrycan is very light, and I can even show you the sample there.
Okay.
I can show you the sample.
All of this, like jerrycan.
Yeah, for it to absorb the oil. I can show you here. So you can go outside.
And it's only one particular one that you use. Only one.
No, any kind of empty
bags. But
empty
this one is only this one that we are seeing here.
Yes.
This particular empty bags. And they are.
Now this.
Where is the shop?
Suleja.
In Suleja. So they just bring to you this particular brand. Is it the only brand you sell?
No, any kind of, any different type, anyone.
Anyone. What else?
Any Thailand, any India, any Nigeria.
Okay. This is India, ba?
This is India.
Where is Nigeria?
This is Nigeria, Optimum.
Optimum, that's the only one.
I even get the owner of the company. Let me show you. Because there is some, all this one, if you see rice like this, that means wheelbarrow don't tear it. That's how we used to keep it aside. Okay, let me show you.
In fact, it's a big depot. So if you buy from Suleja, how do you know that you're not buying REBAG like and selling it as foreign? How do you know? Do you have anything to know, to show?
Based on my experience.
Yes.
That's as I hold it like this.
Yes.
Even if I close my eyes, if I just touch it.
You say if you close your eyes, you come and do that sample.
Even you yourself. Everywhere you go.
India rice is shorter than Thailand. But if you do it like this, you will be able to detect. Say this is Nigerian, this is Indian, and this is Chinese.
I can detect.
All right, so you'll be our witness now. You come to our office and
you can employ me, sir.
You come to our house. You know, so that when consumers, you will tell us this is Indian, this is us. This is Indian.
This is Thailand.
This is Thailand. So when Nigerians come, you show them. You say you can tell me that this is what? This is Nigerian. This is
Nigeria.
This is
Thailand.
Your own Thailand, and this is your own
India.
I'll open the two now. Let's see. So we have according to what's the name, sir?
I am Alhaji Garu.
Alhaji Garu. This is
India rice.
This is Indian. This is
grain. The Thailand rice is a long grain parboiled seed rice, whilst the India rice is shorter than Thailand rice.
The Indian, yes, you can see Indian is really short, but there is no difference materially between this. This is long rice as well. This is long rice. The only thing is this is whiter than this.
And if you cook it, Stella rice is rice up down. India rice and Nigeria rice. That's why even the price is deeper.
The price is different. All right. But but if they pack this, the problem, if they pack this rice in the business and you are not aware of this, then it's interesting that people are putting this rice inside this kind of bag, this Thailand bag, and selling it. Now the Indian one we can see is smaller, so the price is smaller than this and this. Right. Yes, there are different Nigerian companies, but basically we have three types. Yes. Nigerian rice, Thailand rice, and Indian rice.
If you can employ me, I beg give my certificate.
Okay. Are you a distributor of any Wotu parboil rice? No. So why you sell these bags, man? Do you sell these bags?
No, I'm just new here in this
I'm
place,
asking a question. Do you sell? I want to buy these bags. You don't sell. Why? So why is it say that it's from the company? From the company. All right. So she will come and explain to us how company bags are found in their store as a seller of rice products. That will be confirmed based on our investigation. Do you understand? This is from the. This is from the. Give me sticker. Let me just stick and then I move. Let us sign summons and come to the office. Our problem is with these bags of something. Can I have? This one is not here. So this shop will remain under investigation and is sealed for investigation, right? You understand?
Can we see your face?
Thank you. So we seal it for further investigation based on the intelligence and the information that are not sufficient for us at this time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Because of the limited intelligence that we are receiving at this time, an invitation for him to come to our office, the shop is critical to the investigations that we're doing, and then it remains under our custody for the time being. Thank you. Call them. I need them to be in front, please. And
Let him open that key now. This is your direction. Your direction here. Yeah.
towards protecting Nigerian consumers, we are sealing this place up to verify the intelligence and all the information and evidence that we are extracting from this shop. And it will remain sealed until the time when he appears, the owner of the shop appears in our office. Thank you very much. Please, this place remains the property of the federal government until the investigation is concluded. Then we will come and unseal it. Thank you.
Put my camera and I go say no block your room.
The shop will remain sealed as a place of interest for the investigation or rebagging of rice. He's already been summoned to appear in our office based on his cooperation and assistance. Hello.